fella. My name is Bill from down here in Land O'Lakes, Florida. I'm making this video to brag on my new bike that I got. I bought this bike from electricbikeparadise.com. My wife and I researched a lot of bicycles till we found the one that would do me good, and this is the one I need. I'm using it for hunting. Take me back and forth to my tree stand down a dirt road, and these big fat tires, they work good in the sand. They ride really good. The battery was almost charged when I got it, and it's still almost charged. I've only had it a week, but I rode it quite a bit, and it's still got a full charge, so they last a long time. It folds up completely. My son and I both have one. We can put them in the back of the truck, and they take up very little room. And it was the best price that we could find. And I highly recommend buy this bike, or if you want like it, they have a lot of bikes. If you go online and look at electricbikeparadise.com, and I'm sure you can find something that'll fit your needs. Thank you.
With free shipping, lowest prices guaranteed, fast delivery and no sales tax, it's easy to see why Electric Bike Paradise is the leading electric bike retailer online. So shop our selection of e-bikes now at electricbikeparadise.com or reach us at 800-590-2738 and talk to our sales specialist, available from Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.